While working on a custom water for injection pumping skid project for a contract pharmaceutical manufacturer, it became apparent that they were also in need of transfer panels for their plant expansion. 11 panels were fabricated to integrate with a WFI skid and accurately transfer product to different areas of the plant. These panels were designed with safety in mind. Each panel includes an emergency stop, drip pans to catch escaping product, and plexiglass covers to protect plant operators when WFI is in process. If the covers are removed during production, the proximity switch connection breaks and stops the process. Some transfer panels were configured as floor or ceiling mounted, while others were wall mounted depending on where they needed to be positioned in the facility. For more information on our transfer panel capabilities, give us a call at 417-831-1411 or visit csidesigns.com.